Hey everyone, welcome back to Consumer Picks, your go-to channel for the best reviews on products that actually make life better. Today, we're diving into something that screams luxury, relaxation, and wellness. The best home saunas of 2025. Imagine ending your stressful day with soothing heat, right in your own home, without spending hundreds at a spa. Whether you're into infrared heat for that deep muscle relaxation or traditional steam for that authentic finish vibe, we've got something for everyone. We tested 8 of the most popular saunas for 6 months straight, focusing on heat performance, comfort, ease of installation, extra features, and overall value. And now, we've narrowed it down to the 6 absolute best picks for 2025. Links to every sauna we mention are in the description below, so you can check out current prices and deals after watching. Now, let's get started with our top pick. If you're looking to take your wellness routine to the next level with a true outdoor spa experience, the Almost Heaven Sauna's Salem Steam Sauna is hands down one of the best options you can buy in 2025. This isn't just a sauna, it's a statement piece for your backyard. Picture this, a beautiful barrel-shaped cedar sauna sitting in your garden or by your pool, ready to envelop you in that traditional Finnish heat. The Salem model uses a Harvia 6-kilowatt electric heater paired with 40 pounds of sauna stones, so you're getting the real deal when it comes to steam and heat retention. You can expect it to hit a maximum temperature of 185 degrees Fahrenheit, which is hot. You can pour water over the hot stones for that burst of steam and traditional Finnish feel. Follow it up with a cold shower or plunge, and you've got the ultimate at-home spa routine. Installation-wise, it's a bit of a project because of the barrel design. But once it's set up, this sauna is built to last and absolutely transforms your backyard into a wellness retreat. So, if you want the best outdoor sauna experience, the Almost Heaven Saunas, Salem Steam Sauna should be at the top of your list. It's not just a purchase, it's an investment in relaxation and health. If you've been torn between getting a modern infrared sauna or a traditional steam sauna, let me save you the stress. The Finleo IS565 Infrasauna is the perfect hybrid solution. This model brings you the best of both worlds in one elegant spa-like package. So, what makes it special? It's equipped with 2 separate heating systems, a full set of infrared panels for deep, penetrating heat, and a traditional hot rock heater for that classic steam sauna experience. With this setup, you can choose dry infrared heat for a quick sweat, or pour water over the rocks to create that humid, soothing steam environment, all without buying 2 separate saunas. Inside, the IS565 feels luxurious and spacious. The interior is made of beautiful hemlock wood, and the smell alone is enough to put you in a zen state. There are 2 large benches that comfortably fit up to 5 people, but realistically, 4 adults is the sweet spot if you want personal space. The ambiance here is next level. The IS565 comes with Bluetooth speakers, so you can stream your favorite playlists or podcasts while you detox. It also includes chromotherapy lighting, which bathes the room in soft-colored lights for an added sense of calm. So, if you're serious about getting both infrared and steam options without compromise, the Finleo IS565 Infrasauna is worth every penny. Yes, it's an investment, but it's one that transforms your health and wellness routine for years to come. Looking for a home sauna that strikes the perfect balance between size, comfort, and premium features? The Sunhome Equinox is your go-to. This sauna is made for those who want to unwind solo with room to stretch out or host a couple of friends for a shared relaxing sweat session. Let's start with space. This sauna delivers. The Equinox comfortably seats up to 3 people, or 2 with full relaxation space. During solo use, I could stretch out, lean back, and even lie down with 0 issue. It's rare to find this much room in an infrared sauna, and it makes every session feel like a mini retreat. Heating performance is on point. This is a full-spectrum infrared sauna, which means it uses a combination of near, mid, and far infrared panels to evenly and efficiently heat your body. It took about an hour to reach 144 degrees Fahrenheit, but that's part of the salon-style ritual. Warm up, enjoy your shower or quiet time, Then step in and melt away. The bench design is smart too. You get a full-length bench-style seat that curves along the back. It's high enough for heat circulation but low enough for comfort. You can sit cross-legged or fold up in a corner, and you still feel totally encased in soothing warmth. If you're after full-size comfort, whether lounging solo or sharing the space, the Equinox is a standout. It's ideal for folks with enough room in a basement, garage, or spare room, and who want a long-lasting sauna experience that feels luxurious and functional. Looking for a high-tech, luxurious sauna experience that rivals top spa-class setups, let me introduce you to the Sunlight and Impulse Smart Sauna Aspire. Everything you've wanted in a personal wellness retreat. This two-person sauna brings together comfort, convenience, and cutting-edge connectivity. What sets the Impulse Aspire apart is the built-in 10-inch tablet control panel. It's fully Wi-Fi enabled, so you can stream Netflix, Hulu, or Spotify, or even check your email, all while clocking a sweat session. Beyond entertainment, the tablet functions as the main control interface, letting you adjust full-spectrum infrared heat levels, select preset sauna programs, set timers, and control ambient lighting. This sauna is crafted for comfort, with room for 2 adults to sit stacked or side by side, backed by a supportive lumbar seat. The interior wood is high quality and feels warm to the touch. You'll find seating comforting but not cramped. Like luxury spa models, the sauna uses a combination of near, mid, and far infrared heating panels, ensuring fast, deep penetrating warmth. If you're serious about integrating wellness into your lifestyle, the Sunlight and Impulse Aspire makes it effortless and enjoyable. This is for anyone who wants Netflix in the sauna, smart controls at their fingertips, and full-spectrum heat that feels spa-grade without leaving home. Coming in at number 2, the Serene Life full-size portable steam sauna delivers a surprisingly luxurious spa-like experience without the spa-level price tag. If you're craving that relaxing sauna feel but want to keep things affordable and flexible, this one's a serious contender. Think of this sauna as a personal steam retreat that folds down to nearly nothing. It's made of lightweight but durable, nylon, steel rods, and PVC tubing, and when bundled up, it weighs under 15 pounds. Setup is a breeze. Pop it open, insert the rods, plug it in, and you're ready to go in about 15 minutes. Tear it down in under 2 minutes, then stash it in a closet or behind a sofa. Perfect for apartments, temporary spaces, or anyone who doesn't want a permanent sauna installation. The Serene Life consistently warmed up quickly, hitting sauna temps in under 15 minutes. It maxed out at a cozy 122 degrees Fahrenheit across 9 adjustable heat settings. Classic infrared level warmth that's comfortable and effective for steam sessions. If you're looking for a no-fuss sauna experience that's effective, convenient, and budget-friendly, the Serene Life Portable Steam Sauna is a fantastic entry point. Ideal for steam lovers, renters, or anyone who wants a sauna without permanent installation or electrics. All right, coming in hot at number 1. This is the Dynamic Barcelona Infrared Sauna. And let me tell you, it's the ultimate home sauna experience. After 6 months of daily sessions, this sauna consistently delivered top-tier performance, ease of use, and comfort. And that's why it earned the top spot on our list. First off, it's lightning fast. We measured just 25 to 30 minutes to reach its maximum temperature of 140 degrees Fahrenheit, which is impressive for an infrared model. The heaters deliver steady, even warmth across the entire cabin. No cool spots, no wild temperature swings. It's immersive heat that feels like it hugs you perfectly, whether you're sitting or stretching out. Designed for 1 or 2 people, this sauna has a spacious bench that comfortably seats 1 and technically fits 2, if you're okay getting cozy. And yes, close sauna dating is a thing. The wood is smooth, premium-grade Canadian hemlock, and the interior feels spa-grade from the moment you step in. This is Thermal Nirvana, friends, a sauna that delivers on every front and earns its crown as the best overall home sauna of 2025. So there you have it, the 6 best home saunas of 2025, from budget-friendly portable options to full-on luxury spa experiences. Which one fits your lifestyle? Are you team infrared or steam, or do you want a hybrid like the Finleo? Drop your choice in the comments below. We'd love to hear. And remember, links to all the saunas we reviewed are in the description, so you can check current prices and snag the best deals. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more honest reviews, and turn on notifications so you never miss our picks for the best products of 2025. Stay relaxed, stay healthy, and we'll see you in the next one.